Hi boys and girls, and welcome back to Mr. Grable's grade 3 math class, where we are doing page 25, 2 10s and 5 1s. Ooh, that makes a lot of good sense. Today we're counting by 25s and by 5s, and by 10s and by hundreds. There we go. Sometimes we're going forward, sometimes we're going backwards. Ooh, it's time to practice. Here we are. Practice page 25. Start at 370. Okay, let's put 370. That's a good easy one to start with. There we go. Count on by 5s. Count on means going forward, right? So here we go. 370, 375, 375, 380, 380, 385. Ooh. See how this reminds me of patterns, boys and girls? It's a pattern. 0, 5, 0, 5. Only in the ones place, but it continues to be a pattern. 385, 390. 390, 395. And, of course, 395, 400. There we go. So counting on by 5s, not too difficult, just like you did back in grade 1 and grade 2. And now in grade 3, it's just that we're doing it in larger numbers. And you can start anywhere. So watch for that. And you can finish off the rest of them on number 1. Now on number 2, I decided to skip the counting back by 5s, because I figured you could handle that. But let's try by 25s. Count back by 25s. Start at 850. So I'll put my 850 in here. 850. Now remember the pattern. You might even want to write this down. It might help you. Now I remember the pattern of 25s to go 25, 50, 75, 100. Okay, so that might help you. It's going to be those 4. So we have 50. Now if I count back, it's going to be 25 next. So it's 825. Okay. Now, what would be before that? Well, zeros. So we got 850, 825, 800. Okay. Now that the zeros are done, so 75. But it's not going to be 875 because I'd be going up. It's got to be 775, 775. Then 750, right? I like this pattern. And then 725. See, really, boys and girls, it's just a 4-part pattern. And then 725, go back to zeros, 700. So unlike the 5s where the pattern's only in the 1s, in the 25s, it's in both digits, right? 10s and the 1s. 50, 25, 0, 75. 50, 25, 0, and of course 75 would continue the pattern. It's a repeating pattern, and yet it's a growing and shrinking pattern too. That's why it's a little bit tricky. There you go. Check that over again if you have to. Writing this down though I think is a good strategy, just to help you out if you're stuck at all. Okay, and you can finish the rest on 2. Let's go on to 3. Fill in the missing numbers. Who describe your pattern? Okay, so we have 153. First thing is you got to compare. Remember we talked about comparing and ordering? Well, we're thinking about comparing here. What's the difference between 153 and 148? Well, 100 is the same. You got 5 10s and 4 10s, okay? And you got 3 1s and 8 1s. But really 148 to 153, that sounds really close together, right? 53, 52, 51, 50, 49. It's 5. It's taking away 5. So the rule is subtracting 5. Let's see if that's right. 148 to 143. 1s are the same. 4s are the same. 8 take away 3 is 5. It's minus 5 for the rule. Okay, let's put the remaining part of the pattern in then, because that's all this really is. So we have 153, 148, 143, 138. I see the pattern already. 138, 133. 133. 128. Just keep taking away 5. 123. Hey, 123. That's always fun. And it does tell you to describe your pattern, so really, all you have to do is go -5. Maybe circle it just to remind yourself. And you got it. Whoa, pretty cool. So try B and C. You know they're going to be plus or minus 5, plus or minus 10, plus or minus 25, or plus or minus 100. So check those ones out. And finally, on 4 here, what do we got here? Oh yes, they made a kind of incorrect pattern. You got to fix it. So let's just say it, and you'll hopefully spot it. 271, 371, 4. Ah, hey. 271, 371. It should be 471, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So then you're supposed to rewrite it. So 271, 371, 471, 571, 671. There we go. There it all is. All the way from starting at 370, counting back or on by 5s. Starting at 850, counting back by 25s. Finding that pattern of -5. And of course, finding the mistake. Whew, these are difficult pages. But I know you can do them. Keep working and do your best. Have a great day. Bye-bye.